Good evening, dear student. Welcome to my class. And today, at the beginning, we'll the atomic. Yes. Look, this is a carbon atom. This at the center of the atom is nucleus. Nucleus contains proton and neutron. At the center of the atom, is a nucleus. This nucleus consists of proton and neutrons. Around the nucleus, electrons are revolving. Around the nucleus, electrons are revolving. This is the atom. This atom model is given by. Today we will learn structure of atom. You know this structure of atom. Atom consists of three basic particles: protons, electrons, and neutrons. The nucleus center of the atom contains positively charged protons, positively charged, and neutrons not charged. And the outermost regions of the atom are called electron shell and contain electrons negatively charged. You know these things. Proton is positive, symbol P, and neutron N E, and proton position is nucleus, neutron position is nucleus, electrons energy levels surrounding the nucleus. Okay, these things. Okay, this thing done last class is finished. Okay, now today I'll show this. You know these things. Atom model. Atom. Today we learn this atom model. How this atom at the center of the atom is the nucleus. We know this. The center of the is nucleus, and around the nucleus, electron revolving. This model is given by at first. According to your books, who given? This is the Rutherford model of an atom. Rutherford's model of the atom, and this given is book. This chapter is very important chapter. One creative question must will come in the final exam. One at least you will get at least 15 marks from this chapter. 10 to 15 marks. Very important chapter. I didn't give your assignment result. Today I'll give. Okay, this atomic model. At first, Rutherford has given model of an model on the structure of atom in 1911. The model. Okay, before model we see these things. Rutherford atomic model. Okay, this who is Rutherford? His full name is Ernest Rutherford. Rutherford was born at Nelson, New Zealand. He was educated at University of New Zealand and conducted research work in 1895 with J.J. Thomson at the Cavendish laboratory. In 1907, he accepted longer the professorship Manchester University in England, where Chadwick was one of his students. He won Nobel Prize in 1908 in the field of atomic physics. Okay, so we have understood Ernest Rutherford was born in Nelson, New Zealand. He got education from um, research work in with laboratory. He accepted longward the professorship at Manchester University, England. Okay. He got Nobel Prize also in 1908 in the field of atomic physics. This Ernest, have you seen this picture? Ernest Rutherford. He gave this model, Rutherford atomic model, giving depends on a experiment. Experiment name is alpha particle experiment. This is the alpha particle experiment. Have you seen this picture? He gave the Rutherford atomic models depends on a experiment. This experiment is called alpha particle experiment. You will be explained details in HSC level. You just know this model was given depends on a experiment. This experiment called alpha particle experiment. Have you seen this? Look. This take which takes he took this alpha particle and took gold foil. This is the gold foil alpha particle, and also this is a screen. This screen is made by zinc sulfide screen, and this is the gold foil. Look, this is the gold foil, and this is the slate hole like hole. This here pass alpha particle, this slit, and here alpha particle emitter. Here alpha particle is made, alpha particle from bismuth radioactive elements. Alpha particle is formed, and this alpha particle emitter, and this alpha particle enter through this slit and pass through the gold foil and strike this screen. This screen is made by zinc sulfide, and alpha particle come through pass through the gold foil and strike this screen, and light flash. Okay, I am showing these things, alpha particle experiment like this. This is a gold foil. Gold foil. This is a screen. This screen is made of zinc sulfide made of screen, and here alpha particle is 2 helium. This is the alpha particle 2 plus. Are you watching my screen? This is the alpha particles. Okay, have you seen alpha particle is the positive or negative? Alpha particle is the positive or negative? Have you seen? Positive charge or negative charge? I drawn here. Have you seen? I checked this alpha particle. Is it a positive charge or negative ions? Negative ions or positive ions? Alpha particles? Are you watching my screen? Hello? So say, alpha particle is positive or negative charge? The positive or negative? Positive. This sodium, if I write sodium plus, if positive ions, if I write chloride Cl minus, this is the negative ion. So I have drawn here helium 2 plus. So is it positive or negative particles? Alpha particle? Is it huh? What is chapter 3 atomic structure? Which chapter? Okay, this okay, this the alpha particle is positive 2 plus. It is which element? Element is sodium or helium or nickel, zinc. This is the helium, He. Okay, alpha particle. Alpha particle we can write this way. We can write this way. This is alpha particle, alpha, and particle, PACR, particle, alpha particle. Okay, particle. Okay, alpha particle. Okay, if I take this alpha particle, emit alpha particle, it pass through the gold foil. This is gold foil. This is gold foil. Thin foil, thin. This is gold foil. If I emit alpha particle, it pass through the gold foil and strike zinc sulfide and flash, light flash. If I pass alpha particle through the gold foil, it pass through the gold foil and strike zinc sulfide, light flash. Like this alpha I emit alpha particle and it go to through the gold foil, strike zinc sulfide screen and light flash. Okay, emits zinc sulfide, light flash, emits. Okay, but some particles, some in a 10,000, 1 in a 10,000 is deflect something deflect, like something deflect. Some particles, maximum particle move through the some particle deflect, few particles deflect, and in a 1 to 20,000 deflect 180 degree, fully deflect, 180 degree deflect. Okay, so we will understand that from this experiment. Maximum of this gold foil, this is like atom, is maximum of this atom is empty. So maximum particle go through the gold foil, maximum. So most space of the atom is empty. This is the empty. But at the center, looks at the center, alpha particle deflected 180 degree fully. If we deflected this 90 degree, this deflected 90 degree, look, 90 degree, this angle 90 degree, but it's deflected 180 degree. So at the center is something is present. At the center of the atom is some particle is present. Is the particle deflected? Not attraction is occur. Not attraction occur. Reflection occur. Repulsion occur. We know positive, negative attraction occur. Negative repulsion occur. Positive repulsion occur. So here is repulsion occur. Repulsion occur at the center. So what is why this repulsion occur? Here at the center of the atom is something particle is present which is positive or negative. What will be the center of the particle? Is the positive or negative? Will be positive or negative? Hey, Ahen Nabram bolo. Ahen Nabram. Ahen Nabram. ক্লাসে হ্যাঁ বলো বলো, আদারওয়াইজ রিমুভ করে দিব। হ্যাঁ বলো, এটা এটা কি পজিটিভ না নেগেটিভ? এখানে কিছু যেন আছে, এটা রিফ্লেক্ট করেছে, ডিফ্লেক্ট করে দিছে ফুললি। ইজ ইট পজিটিভ অর নেগেটিভ পার্টিকেল এট দ্য সেন্টার? জানো না? আচ্ছা, তারপরে আঞ্জুমা আক্তার বলো। What will be at the center of the atom? Anjuma Akhtar, are you listening? Hello, Anjuma Akhtar, are you listening me? এই তো ঘুমাচ্ছে, এটা নাই। এই ক্লাস থেকে বের করে দেবো দেখে, কথা বলতেছে না কেন? এখানে কি একটা মেসেজ দিছে নাকি আমারে? আচ্ছা দেখি মেসেজটা কি দিছে, দেখি কি পাঠাইছে। কই দিল মেসেজ? চ্যাট ডোন্ট নো স্যার। আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, এখানে কি থাকতে পারে? এখানে অ্যাট্রাকশন করলো না কেন? রিপালশন করছে, কি একটা আছে এখানে একটা। কে পারবা বলো? যে পারে বলো, কে পারবা? হ্যাঁ, কি থাকবে সেন্টারের মধ্যে? এটা রিপালশন করলো কেন সেন্টার? হ্যাঁ কি না, এমটি না, এমটি তো পুরাপুরি গেলো কিনা, এই এদিকে গেলো কিনা পুরা, ওই তো এগুলো গেছে যেরকম এই সাইটে দিয়ে, সব সাইটে দিয়ে এগুলো এমটি এমটি এমটি, কিন্তু সেন্টারে কিছু একটা আছে। এই তো দুটাও পজিটিভ, এটাও পজিটিভ, এইটা পজিটিভ। তো এইখানেও সেন্টারে কি একটা আছে, পজিটিভ কিছু একটা আছে। at the center of the atom something positive particles contain. This positive particle is called nucleus. Okay, so depends on this alpha particles experiment. Rutherford gave a model on the structure of atom in 1911. The model state are you listening me? This internet connection is unstable. Okay, in the center of the atom there is a positively charged dense central core. This core is called nucleus of the atom. Protons and electrons are situated inside and outside the nucleus respectively. The protons in the center, inside and outside nucleus, electrons. Since compared to the whole mass of the atom, the mass of electron is 0, but it is not 0, it has a mass hardly 0, hardly mass. Okay, not 0. Electron is written, mass of electron is 0. So protons and neutrons inside the nucleus determine the whole mass and positive charge of the atom. So it is count as a electron mass is 0. So how a mass of the atom is considered as the mass of the positive nucleus, proton and neutrons. Okay, so we have understand at the center of the atom there is a positively charged dense central core. This core is called nucleus of the atom. Okay, B, nucleus is very small. Nucleus is very small. Most of the space inside the atom is void. Void means empty. Most of the space inside the atom is void means empty. The nucleus is very small. Electrons in an atom always move around the nucleus in different orbits. Like planets revolve around the sun in a solar system. The number of electrons in an atom is same the number of protons, since the charge of an electron and proton in an atom is equal and opposite. Therefore, overall charge of an atom is 0. The overall charge of an atom is 0 because number of electron and proton are same. Like if a proton number is 6, electron number is 6. Electron is 6 positive, 6 negative, so plus minus cancel. So 0. Overall charge of the atom is 0. So we will understand C. D. The electrons with negative charge are attracted to the positive charged nucleus. The force of this attraction is centripetal, and due to this centripetal force, electrons move around the nucleus like our Earth does around the nucleus. Centripetal force means centripetal force. Centripetal force means okay, this is the nucleus. Like there is a why this like Earth. This is Earth, and round the Earth, moon is revolving. And due to an attraction force, for these regions don't go away in the space. There is a attraction force. This is what is this? Attraction force is gravitational force, like this. For this region, it don't go away the space, outer space, like moon. It move in a orbit. Like this, also this moon, sun. This sun, around the sun, our planet Earth is move. At the there is a force, due to a force, like here atom around the electron 10 minutes remaining, you will join to the same thing. Electron around the nucleus move due to a force. This force is called this force is called centripetal force. Due to this centripetal force, electron move around the nucleus like our Earth does around the sun. Rutherford model is known as solar system model for its continuous parallelism to the solar system. Again, since Rutherford model was first gave the idea of a nucleus, it is also called nuclear model also. Rutherford model is also known as nuclear model because this model at first gave the idea of nucleus, and this model is called solar system model because it is similar with solar system model. Like in a solar system, like planets move around the nucleus, here electron move around the nucleus. Planet move around the sun. In the solar system, in an atom nucleus, electron move around the nucleus. So this is a similar for these regions. For this Rutherford atomic model is also called solar system model. and this model also known nuclear model because this model at first gave the idea of nucleus. Okay, now limitation of Rutherford atomic models. Limitation, some disadvantages. Rutherford is the first scientist to introduce the idea of a nucleus, okay, and orbits of an electron. What is orbit? Look, this is the nucleus. This nucleus. Around the nucleus, electron move a circular path. Electron move around the nucleus as a circular path. This path or route is called orbit. Rutherford model is some advantages. Rutherford models is the first scientist to introduce the idea of the nucleus. So this model gave first idea about the idea of nucleus. So it is their advantages, and also idea of the orbits of an electron. Although this model is first acceptable atomic model, wow, it has some limitation also, some disadvantages also, pros cons. Rutherford's model didn't give any idea about the size and shape of the orbits along which electrons move. So Rutherford atomic model didn't give the idea of the size and shape of the orbits. Size, how much size? Its size is this size, smaller size, bigger size. This is the size. Don't give the idea of the size of the orbit. And shape is the circular shape, dumbbell shape. So shape, about the shape and size of orbit didn't give idea. So Rutherford's model didn't give any idea about size and shape of the orbits along which electrons move. And he also gave its planets is the solar system is electrically neutral, but electron and nucleus are charged. So a parallelism between some charged central elements and charged elements is not quite correct. So it is similar, it is not correct. Some charged neutral elements and charged elements is not quite correct. Look, this is a planets is a solar system are electrically neutral, but it is but electrons and nucleus are charged. So a parallelism between some charged neutral elements and charged elements is not quite correct. Okay, there is no satisfactory explanation regarding how the electron will move round the nucleus in case of atoms having more than one electron. If this atomic model also give one electron containing atom, only hydrogen atom contain one electron. One electron containing atom model can explain this model, but when like two electron containing atom like helium, three atomic contain boron, these things more than one electron containing atoms, so there is no satisfactory explanation regarding how the electrons will move around the nucleus in the case of atoms having more than one electron. This model can only explain one electron, but it is not can't explain when atoms having more than one electrons. Okay, now according to Maxwell electromagnetic theory of a radiation, any charged particles moving in a circular path always emits energy, and its radius will gradually grow smaller. At a stage, it is supposed to fall into the nucleus. That will be the end of the atom. At least its stability will be in trouble. However, that doesn't happen in nature. In other words, according to Maxwell theory, Rutherford's atomic model is not correct. What is Maxwell theory? Maxwell theory, if any charged particle like positive charged particle, negative charged particle, if move in a circular path, if moved in a circular path, if move any charged particle, positive charged particle or negative charged particle. So here in a electron is a negative charged particle. If any charged particles move in circular path, it emits radiation, and its energy time to time getting lost. Like if charged particle move a circular path, it emits radiation, it emits loss its energy. So it's like this energy, it emits radiation, and time to time its radius decreases, and at a time it fall into the nucleus. So fall into the nucleus, but it doesn't happen in the atom. It doesn't happen in the atom. So this is a disadvantage. It is not correct. Atom electron don't fall in the nucleus, but in a Rutherford atomic model, it's like a atom fall into the nucleus. Electron fall into the nucleus. According to Rutherford atomic model, say electron fall into the nucleus according to Maxwell theory, but it is not happened. Actually, in an atom, electron don't fall on the nucleus. So this is a disadvantage. Any charged particle, if move in a circular path, it emits radiation, and it finally fall into the nucleus. So here electron is negative charged particle, so it falls. Any charged particle, either is positive or negative. সামিন একটা স্ক্রিনশট নিয়ে নাও আজকে অ্যাটেন্ডেন্সের। হ্যালো সামিন, আছো না এখানে? জলদি নাও, 1 মিনিটের কম আছে সময়। This topics I should finish it in 5 minutes. No, okay, 5-10 minutes I will finish. Okay, this is a carbon 12 and carbon 13. Atomic number is same, but mass number is different. Have you seen? Atomic number carbon 12 and carbon 13. Atomic number is same. Carbon. Are you watching my screen? Okay, carbon 12 and carbon 6. Atomic number is same, but mass number is different. What are called? These are carbon 12 and carbon 13. Do you know what are called these two elements? Carbon 12 and carbon 13 elements. Atomic number same, but mass number is different. What are called? Okay, these are called isotopes. These are called isotopes. Atoms of the same element that have the same atomic number but different mass number. Atoms of the isotopes. Atoms of the same element. Look, this is the atom of the same element, carbon. This atom of the same element, but atomic number is same, but mass number is different, 12 and 13. So atoms of the same element that have the same atomic number but different mass number, they are called isotopes. Okay, now this counting, this what is this below, how much proton number, this is the that Arafat এটা কয়টা বে Arafat chlorine 35 17. Okay, this the mass number is same and mass number is mass number is different. This is the 35 and 37, but atomic number is same. Atomic number means proton number. Atomic number, this is the atomic number, this is the symbol of the element. I thought explain last classes what is this. These things I explained these things. So atomic number means proton number. How much proton number? Proton number for this element. What is proton number? Proton number is atomic number is the proton number. This is atomic number is the proton number. This is the 17. Unmute everyone. Proton number is 17. What is electron number? Electron number?
17.
Electron number is 17 because atom is electrically neutral. Proton number, electron number are same. So electron number also same. So what is the neutron number? Neutron number, we know neutron number equal to mass number minus proton number. তো এখানে mass number কত? 35 minus, okay, 35 minus 17, that means mass number is 18. Okay, now you will fill this one. Okay, how much proton number for this one? Proton number?
Proton number 17, neutron number 18, and electron number 7.
কে রে এটা? Who are you? রাইসা, থ্যাংক ইউ। আচ্ছা, এইটার বলো, এইটার কত প্রোটন নাম্বার কত? আর নিউটন নাম্বার? যোগ বিয়োগ পারো না, মানে কত থেকে 100 থেকে 100 বিয়োগ করলে কত? আচ্ছা, এখানে 17 থেকে 20, এটা কত? 17। আচ্ছা, তো আমরা আইসোটোপ চিনলাম না? আইসোটোপ আজকে একটা মেইন বই যাই আইসোটোপ নিয়ে, এটা পড়াবো পরে। আবার অনেকগুলো স্কিপ দেই, স্কিপ এগুলো আমি পরে পড়াবো, টাইমের দরকার আছে। আর যেগুলো আছে তোমরা খালি দেখিয়ে দিলে পারবা, এগুলো আমি দেখাচ্ছি। যেগুলো অনেকগুলো স্কিপ দিব আমি, তা এগুলো আমি পড়াবো, এটা আমি পড়াবো পরে। জামিন, এখন অ্যাটেন্ডেন্সটা নিয়ে নাও, এগুলো আমি পরে পড়াবো। এগুলো পরে পড়াবো, হ্যাঁ, এটা পরে পড়াবো। ম্যাথমেটিক্যাল প্রবলেম পরে পড়াবো। আইসোটোপের এগুলো পরে পড়াবো। নেক্সট আই টিচ। এখন কিছু ইউজেস অফ আইসোটোপস। Isotopes কোনগুলো? We have already learned about isotope in this chapter. There are some isotopes, the nucleus, which spontaneously synthesize themselves and emit alpha, beta, gamma particle rays. These are called radioactive isotopes. Acha, some nucleus spontaneously, some emits alpha, beta, gamma particles. You know this atomic number 80 elements in the periodic table. 80 like radium, uranium, they emits ray automatically emits ray, like they emits alpha particles, beta particle, gamma particle, their ray automatically. These are called radioactive isotopes, okay, which emits radiation it's spontaneous. They are called radioactive isotopes. So far scientists have gathered information more than 3000 isotopes. Some of them are natural and some are laboratory made. The physics books for your class discuss about various isotopes and their radioactivity in details. We will learn about their uses here. Medical science uses of isotopes in the medical science. Radioactive isotopes, like diagnosis, any disease we can diagnose using isotopes. This isotope's name is technetium 99. Technetium TC, technetium 99 is injected inside the body in the system. When it gathers a particular isotope at a certain place inside the body, the isotope emits gamma ray. The gamma ray identification camera from outside can take the photo of that spot of the body. The lifetime of this isotope is 6 hours, since losses its radioactivity within a short time. So we can detect spot of the body using, so we can diagnose. So isotopes can be used for diagnosis any disease and treating. For treatment, if any disease occur, medical treatment also occur. Can be done by isotopes. Radioactive isotope was first used to cure thyroid cancer. The patient is made to drink solution of iodine 131. This isotope reaches the thyroid and emits beta ray, which destroys the affected cell. Iridium isotopes is used to treat brain cancer. Iodine isotope is used to thyroid cancer. Cobalt 60 isotope is used to diagnose and treat also tumors. It is also used, cobalt 60 isotope also used to diagnose and treatment also tumors. The gamma ray emitted from the isotope destroy the cancer affected cell and tissue. Phosphorus 32 isotope is used in the treatment of leukemia, blood cancer is it called. Now it is used in the agriculture sector. Okay, you learn these things from, I will give you an assignment and then you will write. Okay, thank you for joining today's class.